Let's imagine that one day you woke up in the status of a millionaire playboy. What supercar will take the first spot in your garage? In our opinion, a Ferrari is a perfect choice that highlights the status of success and brings thrills into one's life. In order to equip you with the knowledge for the day when millions start pouring in today's episode we'll review the 2019 lineup from this automaker. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News and enjoy bespoke interiors, sickening acceleration and top speeds that will blur the world outside your window. Let's start the engines. Ferrari Monza SP1 and SP2. These are the special edition Ferrari open tops that are now set to go into a limited production of 500 units aimed for the company's most devoted clients. Both speedsters are built using modern weight-saving components such as lightweight chassis, carbon fiber composite bodywork, small scissor doors, and the brand's patented virtual windshield technology. Both the one-seater Monza SP1 and the two-seater SP2 use the same tuned version of the 6.5-liter V12 from A12 Superfast that now outputs 809 horses and propels the supercars to 16 mph in mere 2.9 seconds. The models mark the start of a new Icona series that will include exclusive automobiles inspired by the Ferrari's classic cars and legendary racers. We are not slowing down, just wanted to let you know that this video is a part of the continuous series about the 2019 cars from manufacturers all over the world. Check out this playlist in the description and information cards. Let's continue. Ferrari 488 Pista Spider. In essence, this is an all-new topless version of the 488 Pista that debuts in the 2019 model year, becoming the 50th convertible Ferrari in the company's history. This Pista Spider rides on the lightweight diamond-finished 20-inch alloy wheels and boasts of a slightly modified exterior with massive side vents, bigger rear fenders, and a flatter nose. It is also the first one to receive a brand new dynamic enhancer feature that uses software to adjust brake pressure. Under the hood, the open top has the same 711 horsepower 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, which allows to clock 0 to 60 acceleration in 2.85 seconds. Ferrari A12 Superfast. The A12 Superfast is the new thoroughly redesigned iteration of the F12 Berlinetta. These modifications could be seen both within the exterior and interior. New bumpers, aggressive splitter, new headlamps, a pair of new seats, and updated tech. However, the most important changes were done to the engine. Under the hood, the A12 carries a 6.5-liter V12 that boasts 789 horsepower and 530 pound-feet of torque. The top speed is limited to 211 miles per hour and 0 to 60 acceleration is 2.9 seconds. The Superfast is the most powerful production Ferrari in the history of the company, and with 121 horsepower per liter output, it is among the mightiest front-engine production cars ever built. Ferrari GTC4 Lusso. The supercar was first presented in 2016 and in essence is a renewed version of the FF model. The name bears the reminder of classic models Ferrari 330 GTC and 250 Berlinetta Lusso, and the digit 4 serves as an indicator of an all-wheel drive. The shooting brake body style allows to accommodate up to 4 people, plus there is some extra room for a baggage compartment in the back, something absolutely unheard of for a Ferrari car. The Lusso is geared up with a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V12 that produces 690 horsepower and 512 pound-feet of torque. The maximum speed is stopped at 209 miles per hour, and you will get to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. As you can see, true Ferrari performance from a car which is technically a station wagon. Ferrari 488 Pista. Inspired by the company's 488 GT and 488 Challenge race cars, the new Pista was made to deliver motorsport experience during regular driving. In addition to having a beautiful Ferrari look, it is lightweight, loud, and more aggressive than its sibling vehicles and competitors. Compared to the GT base model, it is almost 200 pounds lighter, weighing only 2,821 pounds dry. It is also 50 horsepower more capable than 488 GTB. The Pista's 3.9-liter bi-turbo V8 delivers 771 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque, ensuring that acceleration to 60 mph takes less than ever in a production Ferrari, 2.85 seconds. Ferrari Portofino. This automobile is considered to be the entry-level Ferrari supercar, which came as a replacement for the California model and was named after a small port town on the Italian Riviera. Just like its forerunner, Portofino is a hardtop convertible that is powered by a front-mounted twin-turbo 3.9-liter V8 engine with some major upgrades like redesigned pistons, rods, exhaust system, and updated engine management software. On performance charts, these upgrades reflect a 39 horses and 4 pound-feet of torque improvement, equaling to 591 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque. On paper, this automobile makes 3.5 seconds 0 to 60 and over 199 miles per hour top speed, but in reality, it actually exceeds these performance parameters. Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta. Aperta is a convertible sibling of the LaFerrari hybrid supercar that marks the 70th anniversary of the brand and is produced in a limited edition of 210 units. With its unique hybrid powertrain, consisting of a 6.3-liter V12 and tri-phase electric motor, this is one of the most powerful Ferraris ever built. The car has a combined system output of 950 horses and 664 pound-feet of torque, which is enough to send it flying to 60 mph in 2.8 seconds, eventually hitting the maximum speed of 217 miles per hour. Ferrari 488 GTB. First introduced in 2015 to replace the iconic 458 Italia, the 488 GTB has collected many titles in its short existence. In 2015, it was recognized as the Supercar of the Year by Top Gear, and in 2017, Motor Trend rated it as the Best Driver's Car of the Year. In 2019, the two-door Berlinetta carries over with no major updates. The GTB's package still includes adaptive dampers, traction control, and electronically controlled limited slip, and it continues to use the 3.9-liter turbocharged V8 that delivers 670 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque. As a result, this car bullets to 60 in 3 seconds and demonstrates the max speed of 205 mph. Will these Ferraris be able to satisfy your craving for speed and luxury? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you're here for the first time, make sure to visit the entire 2019 playlist from other automakers and subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News.